Hey friends! Before we jump in, just a quick heads up. This is for you if you've ever felt lost helping your kids with schoolwork. Whether it's the frustration of not understanding the new methods or just the sheer volume of assignments, we've all been there. Welcome to ThinkBox Learning, your go-to place for making education a fun and rewarding experience for both you and your child. I'm a fellow parent who's been through the ups and downs of schoolwork struggles with my own kids. Trust me, I know the challenges and the triumphs that come with it. No fancy titles here, just real-life experience from one parent to another. We're in this together, navigating the educational journey side by side. I know exactly how it feels when your child hits a wall with vocabulary, reading, writing, or even math. It can be overwhelming and sometimes disheartening. That's why I started this channel, to share the simple, effective techniques that helped my kids thrive. These are methods that are easy to implement and can make a big difference. Twice a week, I'll be here with new videos packed with tips, tricks, and fun templates that you can download to make learning enjoyable and effective. These resources are designed to engage your child and make learning a positive experience. We'll dive into everything from mastering multiplication with easy-to-follow steps and engaging activities to conquering those tricky reading passages. We'll break down complex concepts into manageable parts. But most importantly, we'll discover how your child learns best. Understanding their unique learning style is crucial because every kid is unique, and understanding their learning style is the key to unlocking their potential. We'll explore different techniques to cater to various learning preferences. So if you're ready to make learning a joy for both you and your child, hit that subscribe button and join our ThinkBox Learning family. Let's embark on this educational adventure together. Together, we can turn struggles into success stories. With patience, creativity, and the right tools, anything is possible. See you in the next video. I can't wait to share more tips and tricks with you. Just a quick note, I'm not a professional educator or teacher. All advice is based on personal experience. Always consider what works best for your child.